words grow. A is for apple so red. B is for ball on the bed. C is for the cat on the chair. D is for M in the air. A is for elephant's ear. F is for fish swimming near. G is for goat on the grass. H is for hippo in class. I is for insect in line. J is for jump up in time. K is for kite in the sky. L is for lion walks by. M is for insect in line. J is for jump up in time. Kite is for a kite in the sky. A lion walks by. M is for munch on a meal. N is for mouth with seal. O is for octopus swim. P with a grin. Q is for queen on her throne. R is for the rabbit alone. S is for the snake in the sun. T is for the tiger on the run. U is for an umbrella is up. V is for the van and a cup. W is for wave to the whale. X is for a box on the trail. Y is for yawn in the yard. Z is for zebra standing guard. Let's blend together. Let's blend, sign it out. When we know what reading is all about. A-T, say it with me. That smells cat, yippee. G, say it with glee. Your G, that's tall, your feet. S-U, and big and bright. S-U, and that sun with light. Magic words grow when we know our sounds and we blend them just right. Words come alive and reading takes flight. And reading takes flight. Sing it again. We learn the sounds. Letters dancing all around. Now we blend and read and play. Let's learn some more.